All right, welcome. This is the solution on the equation with variables on both sides. Here, they're just asking us to solve, okay? On the worksheet, if you look at it, there's like a total of like 12 problems. I'm only going to be covering the first six, okay? So the top half. You have 9 plus 5x equals to 6x plus 4. Always rewrite the equation down and draw the line straight down, okay? Here, remember, you always want to get one variable, so you have to do something. It doesn't matter which one you move, but move the smallest one so you could avoid negatives. So here, 5x and 6x. The smallest one is 5x, so I'm going to subtract 6x to both sides. That should cancel out. What do I get left over on the left-hand side, which is just a 9? My right-hand side just becomes a 1x plus 4. Becomes a one-step equation now, so subtract 4 to both sides. 9 subtract 4 becomes 5. On my right-hand side just becomes x. There you go. 5 equals to x. 62. 7 minus r equals to 8 minus r minus r. Rewrite the equation, draw the line straight down. There's some like terms here that you can combine, the minus r and the minus r. That doesn't make sense to you, let me just draw you some numbers. Please understand that there is actually a number 1 out in front, a number 1 out in front, and a number 1 out in front. What is minus 1 minus 1? That becomes, in your calculator, should be a minus 2. Put an R here because that belongs to the R family. So this is also in the R family. So this is also to the R family. That should make sense here because my next line should be 7 minus R is equal to 8 minus 2R. What is smaller? A lot of students don't get this part. What is smaller? Look at a number line. Just look at the number line. Oh, sorry. Right, this is small and this is large. I do not know why you guys make this so much difficult for yourself. This is negative 1. This is negative 2. This is negative 3. What is a smaller number? Negative 1r or negative 2r? Negative 2r. That's why you add the 2r to both sides. That cancels out. Becomes 7 plus 1r. Negative 1r plus 2r becomes positive 1r. Subtract 7 to both sides, you get r equals to 1. Because the 8 subtract 7 becomes 1. Okay? Alright, so that is prominently what something is going to appear on your quiz or a test. Here's a harder one. Alright? Yeah, brutal, right? 63. You have this problem. Rewrite it, draw the line straight down. You have to distribute to get rid of the parentheses here. So it becomes 7 times negative 2k, 7 times negative 2k, and 7 times 4. Simplify, becomes negative 14k, 7 times 4 is 28. 28 minus 6 are like terms, so you're going to combine them. That becomes 22 on the left hand side. The right hand side of 7k minus 20 just comes straight down. Nothing happened to it. Here, okay, what is smaller, negative 14k or 7k? It's a negative 14k is the smallest side, so I'm going to add 14k to both sides. That is what should look like. The 22 comes straight down. 7k plus 14k becomes 21k. Negative 20 comes straight down. Here it becomes a two-step problem. Add 20 to both sides becomes cancels out on my right hand side. My left hand side, 22 plus 20 becomes 42. 21k is left over on the right hand side. Divide by 21 to both sides. That should cancel. K equals to 2. Okay. 64. Rewrite the equation. Draw the line straight down. You have the distributive property on both sides. 5 times n and 5 times negative 6. My right hand side, 5 times n and 4 times n and 4 times negative 7. Okay, what do you have left over on the left? 5n. 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. My right hand side, 4 times n is 4n, and 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. Okay, so move the smallest variable, which is 4n. So I'm going to subtract 4n. Becomes n is left over on the left hand side because 5n minus 4n just because an n. Negative 30 and a negative 28 just comes straight down. Add 30 to both sides, cancels out on the left hand side. You get n equals 2, 2. Negative 28 plus 30 becomes 2. 65. Negative 1 plus 8b equals to 2 plus 8b. Rewrite the equation, draw a line straight down. You want to move the smallest variable. What is smaller, 8b or 8b? The answer is 8b. So subtract 8b. 8b cancels out, 8b cancels out. What do you have left over on the left-hand side? Negative 1. Right-hand side, 2. Is negative 1 ever equal to 2? No. You would say no solution. Okay, we're going to talk about this later on Tuesday and Friday. 66. Negative 2 plus 7x equals to 2 plus 6x. Rewrite the equation, draw the line straight down. What is your smallest variable? 6x. So subtract 6x to both sides. Bring everything down. My right hand side, the 6x minus 6x cancels out. Okay, left hand side, negative 2 plus 1x equals to 2. Add 2 to both sides. That should cancel on the left hand side. The x comes straight down. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. There you go. Those are all your solutions. I only covered the first 6 problems because these are a lot of problems I actually have to do by PowerPoint. Okay. So unfortunately, I cannot show the other problems on the PowerPoint. If you would like me to do it for you, please see me and I can do it to you by hand. It's so much easier. Okay. But there you go. Those are the videos on me going over the steps on how to solve equations with variables on both sides. Okay, the one with no solution is a special one that we're going to talk about on Thursday and Friday.